KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Tuesday, the 16th of October. I'm James Spann. We turn noticeably cooler today. We'll have some light rain at times through tonight. And the chance of rain as the weekend begins. We'll focus on that event as well as we go. Here's the upper air look. Boy, it's not summertime anymore. That's a very interesting active pattern, kind of a split flow. There's an upper low in the southwestern states in the southern branch of the jet stream, the northern branch with a trough over the east, the northern branch helping to push down cooler air, that southern branch giving us a southwest flow aloft and clouds on top of the cool air overrunning, and that means a cloudy day today, a cool day with a chance of some rain at times. That was the radar this morning at 5:04. Coming from Columbus, Birmingham is down for a few days for some maintenance work that was scheduled. Rain over northwest Alabama, more extensive rain back over northwest Mississippi. And we'll see rain slowly increasing at times today, not all day. Again, with that southwest flow aloft on top of the cooler air. The front down to about Montgomery this morning. Birmingham down to 60, Haleyville down to 54. Some folks up in North Alabama could stay in the 50s all day. For Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden will expect 60s all day. Nashville down to 47, Little Rock 46, Tulsa 39. Deeper in the colder air and much of the country in cold air. The exception, the far Southeast U.S. and Florida. There's our watch warning map. Freeze warnings in effect from North Oklahoma into parts of Michigan and Ohio. Flash flood watch for parts of Texas. See a few counties there under flash flood warnings. And looks like there's a dense fog advisory for parts of the Gulf Coast region. Severe weather, not really going to be a problem for a while with cool air taking over. Maybe some scattered thunder from Texas to the South Atlantic coast, but no severe weather. Here's the rain for the next 7 days, and I guess we need to start saying precipitation now that we're in that time of the year. And we'll see some rain across the deep south. And Alabama amounts about 1 inch for the north, under 1/2 inch for the south. And after today, there will be some chance of rain as the weekend begins. We'll talk specifically about that in just a minute. Tropics, nice and quiet. There is one disturbance that's about to move into Belize, and that might become a depression before it goes inland, but it's just running out of water. The Gulf, quiet as could be. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS, the 06E run, 1 o'clock this afternoon. In the southern branch, the upper low is over Arizona. The northern branch with a trough to the north of us and got an upper ridge over Florida. And again, for us, it'll be a cloudy and cool day. We'll see rain falling at times over the northern half of the state. And for north central Alabama, we'll be in the 60s. Up in the Tennessee Valley, you could be in the 50s all day. Very cool. Tomorrow, any lingering rain would be ending most likely during the pre-dawn hours, and I'm not so sure we see much sun. Typically, when you see a 1032 millibar high nosing in here like that, it clears out nicely, but it's going to be a very gradual process. Clouds could linger much of the day. And again, a cool day with a high only in the low 60s in most spots. Thursday, start the day down in the upper 40s. It should be a bright sunny day with a high close to 70. And then Friday, clouds move back in with the next wave off to the west. And more than likely, some rain will arrive Friday night. This is just after midnight Friday night, so it's going to be a real close call for these high school football games. I don't think the rain's going to be that heavy, and we don't expect any thunder, but we'll probably need to at least mention some risk of rain before those games have ended. And then Saturday, this is a day where a lot of people have things going on outdoors. And this, again, it sure looks like the better chance of rain would be Saturday morning, maybe early Saturday morning. And then we would be dry Saturday afternoon. The sky would be cloudy. A cool day will be in the 60s. We've got Auburn playing over at Oxford, Mississippi, Alabama, and Knoxville. The rain could be over in time for those games. There's clearly a chance that is the case now. And we're still several days out. We'll adjust the timing as we get closer. But the bottom line is Saturday will say rain ending during the morning, cloudy and cool with highs in the 60s. Sunday should be a beautiful day, bright sunshine. We start the day in the 40s. The high will be close to 70. And Monday looks good. We'll be way down in the 40s. We might see some 30s for the colder pockets early Monday. The high will be in the low 70s. And this is a week from today, Tuesday the 23rd. A zonal flow and a dry air mass. Let's go out 10 days, Thursday of next week. This is the 25th of October. A little shortwave trough approaching. That looks kind of wet. So it looks like there could be some rain for the latter half of next week. Highs mostly 60s and 70s, and lows mostly in the 40s and 50s. That'll make the fall fans happy. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can join us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.